Alrighty, Evan, here's your 427 small block Ford. Description and commentation. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. So aluminum Shelby block. Victor Jr. custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the custom front end on it. Quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro billet. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 486 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 547, real flat there. Peak horsepower 570, we're rated at 575. The front end's about 15, so runs really good. What we'll do is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. Receiver end, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In your engine packet will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading over that, understand everything. Have a great day.